How to sign in to Disney Plus account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to sign into Disney Plus. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Disney Plus is an American subscription, video on demand, over the top streaming media service owned and operated by Disney Streaming. The streaming division of Disney Entertainment is also a major business segment for the Walt Disney Company. So let's see how you can create an account. Go ahead and click on Disney Plus and it will take you to the official website. Now once you open up the website, you will have an option that says login on the top right corner. Click on login. Now once you have done that, you can just enter your login credentials and log in from there. So that's how you easily log into Disney Plus. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.